Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout, and in this video I wanted to show you how to create a model to analyze screenshots. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to AI models and press add, and then let's say Mac about analysis. Okay. Sometimes you want to analyze screenshots either from your own application or from a computer of your user to understand what's the configuration of the PC or what's the particular problems with the applications that is happening, and to avoid looking this constantly and understanding what's the serial number, what's the configuration of the PC, you can use this technique. So it maps the data from screenshot to fields in Monday or Asana. So we're going to use a data extraction because we're going to treat this as a document. We're going to treat the screenshot as a document, which can be done by using our Bitskout functionalities. So we're going to use Analyze Mac OS about screen. We're going to grab a couple of fields from here. Let's say OS version. Okay. Then let's take the processor. And let's take also the memory. Okay, a little bit higher. Memory. And let's take serial number. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove some words. Let's say I'm gonna do processor, memory, serial, and number. I don't need those words because I know what we're doing. And this way I'm gonna only get values. Of course you can select only values, but just for the sake of example, to show how excluding words work, I'm gonna use that technique here. And nothing to change here. Let's apply. So now the model is created. Now we need to create a custom output. In this case, Mac OS about output. Okay, this is a mapping from the model output to the fields in whatever tool, project management tool you're using. Okay, so we are analyzing Mac OS about. This is our model. Then let's take processor, memory, version, and serial number. Okay, and now I'm going to use a monday.com in this example. What I'm going to do is I will select the screenshot analysis board that I prepared just for this example. And let's select processor to processor, memory to memory, OS version to OS version, and serial number to serial number. So now we have an output, and now let's create a workflow that we can use in our Monday board. Very simple. Same thing, macOS workflow. Okay, so now we are using here a document because, well, technically it's an image, but we treat this as a document in our system because we are extracting information from that. We are not detecting objects on image, so that's kind of tiny difference. We're going to use AI validation, so we have prepared an AI model to do that for us, so we don't waste our precious time on that. And then we also have prepared an output, so we also don't waste our precious time on that and focus on productive work. Okay, now we have our workflow. So what you can do here is add a recipe from Bitskout that allows you to analyze one column, let's say changes to working on it, run a workflow, this one, and set a column to value done if we're done, and if something goes wrong, let's say to stuck. Now we have this, we have it working here, and that's it. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how all this analysis works in Monday. Thanks a lot for your time.